Today, just gonna continue digging this hole, making a pond. Gotta cut this tree down. I guess it makes it a little bit easier. And later, maybe if I have time, I'll fill in the wall. Rain break. The sun is out already. See the little pond in the making? It's already got some water. But I need to dig it deeper and wider. It's going to be a decent sized pond for fish and stuff. Fuck, I'm exhausted. Just been working for maybe half an hour or so. Not that long today. Slow start and no real energy. Fuck. This is all I've done so far. Just dig up a little bit of a trench and clear it up a bit. But I want to dig much further and deeper as well. It's going to be a while. All manpower too. 3 instruments. This, a hoe, and a shovel. Try to fill up the gaps with some concrete. It's actually proving a bit of a challenge. Don't have any meshing to hold it in. So, and I've already built the wall quite high. I think I'm going to have to fill in as much as I can with bits of brick. It's probably the best way. Fucking mixing concrete in a bucket with a stick. So fucking hard. Just made the mix a bit too wet, so I had to add some more. It's really hard to mix dry concrete mix in a bucket. Oh yeah. Got my high gravel mix to fill in these gaps. Just put in some bricks lying in there, just filling up the gaps, and then these small ones, throwing in some high gravel mix here. It was a mistake building it so high before filling up those gaps. I should have just done half of this and fill those gaps in, then done the next block and then fill these gaps in. It's really hard to work these lower ones. Lesson learned. So here's my wall repair. Filled in the gaps with just bits of broken brick I find lying around. And here as well. And then a bit of like a stone mixed with mortar, gravel mixed with mortar to fill in the gaps. And I want to put some little glass cob things, whatever you call them, to bring in some light once it's fully closed. And this part's going to be a bit of a mission, but we're getting there. Yeah, my hands are aging so much. Fuck, look at that. Concrete can't be too good for their hands. Don't really have any equipment though. End of the day. It's about an hour's work. Started like really late anyway. But yeah, loving the nice beautiful sunset. Look at that massive spider web. Walking through it? Nope. Lovely sunset. Back in Guntanaburi for mate's birthday. There seems to be a little car crash on the intersection. Gotta head back today. Looks like it's gonna rain. so I probably should leave soon. Back to my bathroom. Gonna knock out a few bricks. Let's see, do another couple levels there, and then tomorrow this should be sweet. Here's the outer one. This one here is a bit high. I think it's gonna take a little longer, but yeah, should get most of it done in the next few days. Fuck, it's so dark. Had to just quickly finish this up. I'm not even sure how straight this is. Fuck, it is dark. Shit, it's so dark inside. Oh, need to invest in a light. Can't really work in the dark. Oh shit, I'm getting bitten by mosquitoes. So many of them. But that's getting close. Continue on tomorrow. So many mosquitoes. Fuck, there's a lot of mosquitoes today. An unusual amount, so many. Usually they come out in the evening. It's only like 2 p.m. I think it's just been raining a lot. But I'm digging up the hole, trying to make it a bit bigger. And then, yeah, just widening it a little. Bring out the pond all the way out there. A lot of effort doing it by hand. It's too many mosquitoes. Can't really be fucked digging anymore. There's just so many today. Oh shit. I'm gonna try fill in the little gaps in the wall. If I don't get fully eaten by these fucking mosquitoes. Oh. To open the windows, get some light in. But yeah, filled up more of these gaps, added one more layer of brick, and soon be closing that hole. I'm gonna get some glass blocks to put in those, keep the light in. Otherwise it's gonna be fucking dark in here, especially with no light. Dark clouds are coming. Ho ho. I think it's gonna rain very shortly, very soon. Yeah. Nice and cool. Myself some glass blocks. It's a mission. Bringing them back by the motorcycle. But yeah, install that in the wall in the bathroom, and it should bring some light in just up here. Hopefully. Oh shit. I can only put 3 in here, right? About 1, 2, 3. That'll be enough. Put those glass bricks in. Just chuck them in there with normal water, concrete. We fucked getting other shit like grout or whatever. But it should be fine if I fill it all up. And it should bring enough light. Chairs in my toilet. I broke my shovel. I went to dig up some dirt and heard this crack. Fucking useless. Useless Asian goods. But yeah, little by little, a little bit each day, working on this hole. Make a pond. Yeah, it's gonna take a while. Collecting the rocks for the driveway. It's been raining so much here, so the water just washes out this road, and then ground is still soft here, so I need to get some rocks, find more rocks and fill this up, lay out a nice driveway. I think I'll call that a day, and get back onto it tomorrow, little by little.